Welcome to the VS10 video tutorials. Getting started. Select the power hard key located on the console to power on the system. To power off, select the power button and answer the on-screen dialog. Use the trackball and set keys to navigate monitor messages. Both the console and monitor can be adjusted for optimal ergonomics. Enter patient demographics by selecting the patient key. Tabs across the top indicate types of exams. These tabs list input options for parameters specific to each category. For instance, on the OB tab, you may enter all of the OB data, including LMP, EDD, multiple pregnancies, and more, as well as physician information. Only patient ID entry is mandatory when storing images. All other fields are optional. After entering the patient information, select Start Exam from the right menu or from the touch panel. Exams are ended using the End Exam key. To connect a probe, push the connector into place, then flip the paddle switch underneath to engage. Plugging in a probe activates the probe selection menu. All probes currently connected will appear on the touch panel. Choose a new probe by selecting the probe hard key. Once probe selection is complete, select the applicable setting or preset. The menu is dynamic. When you change a probe, applications associated with that probe are displayed. Once an application is selected, settings that are associated with that application are displayed. System presets are optimized for the specific study to be performed in B mode, color, and Doppler. The operator interface was designed for ease of use and includes a high-resolution touch panel. Tap functions in the menu to activate. Swiping is also available to access additional menus. Exit additional menus by swiping back, or selecting the Exit hard key next to the trackball. Items at the bottom of the touch panel are operated via the knobs below, with a turn or up and down action. The icons on the touch panel indicate whether a function's a turn or up and down. This menu is dynamic based upon which scan mode is selected. When more than one function is available, the active mode is green. Push on the knob for the alternate control. The acoustic output and frequency share the same control knob. The freeze and print hard keys are conveniently located to help reduce hand movement. The print keys are customizable. Configurations such as save, send, and print are represented by icons on the monitor. Additional print keys are available for sending images directly to a USB drive, DVD operation, or sending to other destinations. All mode controls are activated by a push, while turning the knob operates the specific mode's gain control. Pushing the 2D control knob acts as a quick one-touch control to exit out of the other modes and back to a live B mode image. Frequently used controls are located around the trackball, such as annotations, measurements, and auto-optimize. Additional trackball functions are indicated on the trackball graphic on the monitor. Depth, focus number, sector width, and zoom are also within easy reach on the console. Both read zoom and high-definition right zoom are available on the same zoom control knob. The layout of the monitor can be modified based on personal preference. The right side of the monitor can display a measurement summary or scan assistant, or the image can be increased by selecting XL format. There is a customizable annotations library that can be viewed on the touch panel by selecting the ABC hard key or the spacebar. Words can be chosen and placed using the trackball and set keys. Freehand typing is always an option to allow for user preference. Annotations can be removed by selecting the clear hard key or the word delete trackball key that will erase annotations from the last word placed. The clear key also clears active measurements and body markers. Measurements are also performed using trackball and set functions. When the calc hard key is selected, a customizable list of measurements appears on the touch panel. The menu choices are based on the application used. For example, in the OB application, the OB measurement package will appear. The top of the menu shows various subcategories in the application. The bottom shows the actual calculations to be chosen. Sonobiometry can be used to perform a semi-automated measurement of the BPD, head circumference, abdominal circumference, femur, and humerus lengths. Generic measurements can be done by selecting Generic on the touch panel. Completed measurements will be sent to the report and can be accessed by selecting the Report hard key on the console. 3D/4D is activated with the 3D or 4D hard keys, with 3D and 4D presets available on the touch panel. Once a volume has been captured, the mode control knobs convert into volume manipulation controls. Pressing the 2D knob takes you out of 3D/4D, returning to a live B-mode imaging screen. The VS10 S10 includes an image clipboard, so that images can be reviewed, recalled, and adjusted as needed. Use the trackball and set key to select images, as well as scrolling to additional clipboard images within a study. The Archive hard key will display the patient archive page, where all of the exams performed along with associated images are stored. This is where exams can be selected for review, transfer to a CD, DVD, or USB drive, and delete studies from the hard drive. With the USB drive plugged in, images can be sent directly to the USB with one of the print keys. Images and volumes can also be reloaded for further manipulation. The raw data capabilities on the VS10 S10 allows for re-annotation, remeasure, and other image parameter modification from a stored image. The utility key on the console will bring up options on the display menu. From the System Setup menu, customize items such as Annotations Library, Presets, Print Keys, as well as measurement packages and options. The Utility menu is also where biopsy lines can be activated. The VS10 S10 offers exceptional image quality and advanced capabilities, all in an intuitive design, helping you to make clinical decisions with confidence.